Hi friends, my name is Matt and you are watching Shooty Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. Today our topic is if you want a healthier heart, you should start eating these food items. Heart disease can be prevented if you eat the right food in the right way. The superfoods you will find on the list that will help boost the health of your cardiovascular system among many other benefits. They can be sources in a natural way as well. Studies say that you can prevent issues like obesity, diabetes and clogged arteries with a healthier diet. Check out these items that will give your heart the boost it needs. Oranges. Don't you think oranges are best thirst quenches ever? Aside from that, they offer plenty of vitamin C, fiber, pectin, potassium, and nutrients. They will flush out sodium, neutralize dangerous proteins, and reduce blood pressure. This way, you can ward off heart failure and heart scar tissue development. Kale. Kale is one of the best things you can eat if you want to improve your heart health. It will keep your heart healthy and prevent the onset of heart disease. After all, the leafy green has fiber, antioxidants, and omega 3 fatty acids. People like them a lot because they are low in both fat and calories as well. Garlic. Garlic has under reputation for its ability to repel vampires. Aside from that, it tastes good, great, and offers nutrients for your heart. You should know that it can keep your blood vessels healthy, prevent arterial plaque, and lower the level of enzymes in the body. It is available in pill form of your convenience. Red wine. Can you believe that red wine will actually prevent cholesterol buildup and boost your HDL levels? It also has antioxidants that will ward off blood clots by keeping blood vessels flexible. Coronary heart disease does not stand a chance if you drink red wine in moderation. Chocolate. We all love chocolate. So it is great to hear that it can prevent heart disease, stroke and other heart problems. It will bring down blood pressure, prevent hypertension, lower blood pressure levels and boost blood vessel flexibility as well. Sardines. Sardines are great if you want to add omega 3 fatty acid to your diet. This is the good type of fat because it will lower your triglyceride levels and boost your HDL levels. It will also prevent inflammation. Lentils. Lentils offer a lot of health benefits. Research shows that you can prevent your heart disease and stroke risk if you eat a diet rich in legumes. Lentils have a lot of potassium, magnesium, and protein. They will keep your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood vessel plaque in check. Almonds. They are tasty, but they can boost your intelligence, memory, and heart health as well. They will lower the cholesterol in your body, prevent LDL absorption, and minimize the risk for heart disease. Snack on. Pomegranates. Pomegranates have a distinct flavor, but they also offer a mix of antioxidants that will ward off cardiovascular disease and prevent arterial plaque oxidation. On top of that, you will be glad to hear that it could at preventing stroke, diabetes, prostate cancer, and Alzheimer's. Blueberries. Blueberries are brimming with antioxidants and nutrients. Eat them regularly to enjoy its benefits like reducing cholesterol levels, blood pressure levels, and arterial plaque buildup. Did you know that they are also lower your risk of heart disease and cancer? Beets. Beets offer a lot of minerals, antioxidants, and minerals. As you can see, they are not only crunchy and colorful salad ingredients, they also lower homocysteine levels in the blood and the risk for heart disease. Beets also strengthen a number of organs and prevent cancer. Salmon. How come salmon gets called the chicken of the sea? For one thing, the oily fish is versatile and delicious. Aside from that, it has omega 3 fatty acids and nutrients that bring down triglyceride levels, make blood vessels flexible, prevent the formation of blood clots, and keep heart disease at bay. Turmeric. Turmeric has become a rising star because it adds a lot of flavor and does wonders for your body. This spice has curcumin, what is useful if you want to prevent heart enlargement. Aside from that, turmeric will also prevent obesity, unhealthy blood vessels, heart disease development, and high blood pressure. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have become popular smoothie and fruit bowl toppers. The hype is real because they are super healthy. They offer protein, fiber, antioxidant, nutrients, and omega-3 fatty acids. They also bring down cholesterol and heart disease risk. Apples. Apples are great for your health, but this is not really a secret. To be specific, apples offer a lot of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. These nutrients work together to keep your blood pressure in check and then lower your heart disease risk. Avocados. Did you know the avocados can walk the talk? Not only are they delicious, but it is true that they are very healthy. They are full of potassium, monounsaturated fats, and antioxidants. They will lower cholesterol, boost your heart health, and minimize your risk for heart disease. Eggplant. Eggplant are delicious, but did you know that they have lot of minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, and flavonoids? They are good for your circulation, cholesterol levels, the heart health. They will keep cancer and cell membrane damage at bay. Broccoli. We hope that broccoli is no longer nightmare fuel for your because they are awesome. It will help lower your cholesterol levels and strengthen your blood vessels. It also offers sulforaphane, which has anti-inflammatory properties and prevents blood sugar issues. Carrots. Carrots are tasty and crunchy little snacks, but they also offer a lot of benefits for your heart. We all know that they improve vision, but did you know that they also fight free radicals and keep cancer and heart disease at bay? They have a lot of vitamins A, C, and K that ward off cancer and heart diseases. Coffee. Coffeeaholics, this is your time to shine. Who would have thought that there was more to your caffeine fix than helping you stay awake? It turns out that moderate intake will help keep heart failure, stroke, and coronary heart disease at. It's all about from this video. Thanks for watching.